Welcome to Greece, a land of gods, legends, and breathtaking beauty. Located in southeastern Europe, Greece borders Albania, North Macedonia, Bulgaria, and Turkey. It also has thousands of islands scattered across the Aegean and Ionian Seas. The capital is Athens, one of the world's oldest cities. Greece has a population of around 10.5 million. The official language is Greek, and the currency is the euro, EU. Greece is a parliamentary republic. The current president is Katerina Sakellaropoulou, a first woman to hold the office. The prime minister leads the government. Greece's economy relies on tourism, shipping, agriculture, and services. It is a member of the European Union, NATO, and the United Nations. The Greek landscape is stunning and diverse, from white sand beaches and crystal-clear waters to mountains like Mount Olympus, said to be the home of the gods. Greece has it all. The country boasts over 6,000 islands, with famous ones like Santorini, Crete, and Mykonos attracting millions each year. Greece also has 18 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including ancient temples, monasteries, and classical ruins. Greek culture is one of the most influential in world history. Known as the cradle of Western civilization, Greece gave birth to democracy, philosophy, theater, and the Olympic Games. Religion plays a major role, with the majority of Greeks identifying as Greek Orthodox. Major festivals include Easter, which is celebrated with unique local traditions. Fun fact: Greek is one of the oldest recorded languages still in use today. Greek cuisine is fresh, healthy, and delicious. Olive oil, herbs, and vegetables are central ingredients. Popular dishes include moussaka, souvlaki, spanakopita, and dolmas. Greek salad is a global favorite, and baklava is a sweet treat enjoyed with coffee or tea. Meals are social and often shared with family and friends. Sports are a proud part of Greek identity. Greece is the birthplace of the Olympics, and the first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. Football is the most popular sport today, followed by basketball and athletics. Traditional games and dances are still performed at festivals and community gatherings. Tourism is vital to Greece's economy. Visitors come for the ruins of the Parthenon, the blue domes of Santorini, and the mythological charm of Delphi. Whether you're exploring ancient history or island hopping under the sun, Greece offers a timeless experience full of wonder. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.